Good evening, everyone. This is Fender. It's Friday night, May 4th, 2018, time 10:52 p.m. This video is on strange sounds. I'm making a strange sound video tonight because I was given multiple intuitions, I guess, or feelings that soon, one day, people will begin speaking on strange sounds they are hearing or will hear in the not too distant future. Strange sounds coming from the heavens, unexplained sounds, uncanny sounds, thunderous sounds, booming sounds, and other weird sound phenomena. And I am going to demonstrate in this video that I was given these intuitions. See, back then I didn't know what to call what I was receiving, which is sounds from the future. Okay? Best way I can describe it is that my spiritual man, or my spirit, or my spiritual ears were picking up strange sounds from the future. Just like how people can have visions of seeing visions of seeing things taking place in the future, and then they dream of a prophecy or a vision, and they dream of events, people, places, and things doing stuff. And these dreams or prophecies or vision impressed them so much that when they came out of the dreams or the visions, they had to write about it, speak about it, or make videos on. Okay, so with me, I had to write down these strange sounds I heard from the future the best way I can back then, which was let me give you guys and gals an example. I will walk down the street, or I guess in my home, and I may be interrupted from reading, or interrupted from watching TV, or interrupted and listening to some music by strange sounds that my spirit had picked up. Powerful booming sounds, loud sounds, okay? And after my spirit ears have heard these sounds, I will write down on a piece of paper exactly what I heard, or try to describe in writing what I heard in the future. The reason why I write these things down, because I know a lot of my dreams, visions, prophecy that were given to me have come to pass. So I decided, why not? I'll just write down the things I'm hearing from the future, like sounds from the future. And I've written them down on a piece of paper and catalog these strange sounds. Strange sounds were given to me in 2006, I believe. And in 2009, I made a video on these strange sounds. And I've burned these videos on these strange sounds, intuition sounds I was given from the future. I burned them on DVDs. Okay? And then in 2011, I opened up my first YouTube channel, and I posted my videos on strange sounds in my YouTube channels. Okay, so yeah, and then then a lot of people began speaking about and recording these strange sounds from the heavens in 2011. This is when a lot of people worldwide was hearing, or began to hear these strange sounds. I mean, audibly. In 2011, in 2012, and people are still hearing these strange sounds as I speak tonight. Yeah, so I'm going to prove to you guys and gals that more or less before anybody else began talking about strange sounds they heard in the skies, a clear sky where there's no clouds, no thunder clouds or whatever in the sky, and they just heard strange sounds, and they recorded these strange sounds. Okay, so yeah, in this video I will prove to you guys and gals that I mentioned these coming sounds people will pick up and will hear audibly in the future. And yeah, like I said, I made a video on these things, these strange sounds coming from the future in 2009. Okay, and in 2011, I finally gotten a chance to upload proof uh, to the YouTubers that I indeed mentioned these things and about hearing these strange sounds in 2009 and made a video on these strange sounds in the year 2009. Okay, so yeah, so this video is called Parish Prophetic Proof Strange Sounds in My Dreams. Okay, Parish is another AKA that I use. This video is in my YouTube channel called Amazing 2007 for.
Okay, I would like to state in closing that I have the DVD disc that I made in 2009, and I will show you guys the DVD disc names. Okay, this is Parish's Fulfilled Prophecy Part 1, Disc 1, Section 1, 2009. This is Parish's Future Prophecies, Disc 2, from letter A, letters A through H, 2009. This is Parish Future Prophecy Disc 3, from letter I through V, by Parish Black, 2009. This is Parish's Fulfilled Prophecy Part 2, Disc 1, Section 3, 2009. This is Parish Future Prophecy Part 2, Disc 2, Section 4, from letters A through H, Parish Black. And this is Parish Future Prophecy Part 2, Disc 3, Section 4, letters I through W, Final Disc, 2009. So I will just show Prophecy 1 and Prophecy 2. I will upload these DVDs discs in one of my computer programs, and I will show you, the YouTubers, the actual time and day that these DVDs were uploaded on the DVD disc. Okay, so I just uploaded the first disc. Okay, it's in HP Media Smart Video, and I will play. Okay, I'm sorry, but this program, or I think I've done something terribly wrong when I uploaded this DVD, but apparently HP Media Smart cannot give off the audio, so I can't hear it. But anyhow, when I play this DVD on another DVD player, like a portable DVD player, it does play. But anyhow, here's the title: Parishes Fulfilled Prophecy Part 1, Friday, April 21st, 2009, 3:46, 15 seconds p.m. Okay, and this is the first, okay, Part 1.
Right, so let me show you guys and gals the actual video. Let's see. Okay, alright. This video is titled Parishes Fulfilled Prophecy Part 1, Section 1, 106, 2009. Is the year I made the video, and it's reloaded. And my YouTube channel, Cosmic Entertainment, formerly known as P41249, uploaded on November 15th, 2011.
Inner City Crusaders proudly presents Parish Prophecies. Hi, my name is Parish Black, and I'm founder and president of the Inner City Crusaders. Inner City Crusaders is a non-profit, tax-exempt, conservative Christian organization that caters to the...
And I have down below, this is a reload. This video was originally made in 2009, Part 1. So let me go back to Parish Prophetic Proof. Strange Sounds in My Dreams video.
Okay, this is the second disc. HP Media Smart. Click on. Comes on. This is me, of course. And it's Parrish's Future Prophecy Part 1, Disc 2, Friday, August 21st, 2009, 4:57, 02 seconds p.m. This is the last disc for Parrish's Future Prophecy Part 1. This disc is for letters I through V, I believe. Okay, Parrish's Future Prophecy Part 1, final disc, Thursday, June 11, 2009. So, I've done this one first before I've done the other two. But nevertheless, here's the date. Four 44 seconds a.m.
Right, so yeah, so let me read this. Parrish's Future Prophecy Part 1, Section 3106, letter I through W, 2009, and this video was uploaded by me on April 22nd, 2011, 7 years ago, I believe.
By these individuals who are now on the bridge. The next number of this piece is the number 3. This piece is called Section 2, One Intuition Story, or S21IS. In the month of April 9th, 2006, I recorded this dream in my dream book. I don't understand, but this must have been the second or third time I heard a very loud booming sound in my spirit. I believe my intuition side of myself had reported to me about a coming booming noise that would be heard in New York.
Right, so let's see here. Right, okay. I'm back to my YouTube channel called Amazing 2007 for. Now, in 2012, I began to record strange sounds I heard over the skies of Brooklyn, New York. Okay, I have made several recordings of actually hearing these strange sounds, and I used my cell phone and, recorded the strange sounds over Brooklyn. Okay, so this video is called Parrish's Prophetic Sounds, Strange Sounds Heard Over Brooklyn, New York, 2011.
2011, sound of booming sounds in the sky, like bombs exploding. I'm upon my roof here at Halsey Street, Brooklyn, New York. Today is Thursday, September 29, 2011. A little after 9 p.m. I have this video because I'm hearing thunderous sound more or less in a cloudless night.
Okay, here in this video, I'm standing on top of my roof. Here in Brooklyn, New York, standing on top of the roof of my house.
Listen carefully. Sounds like it's coming from the west. The west is that way.
video, Parish. Here's more strange sounds over Brooklyn, New York, prophetic sounds, 2012. Okay, uploaded this video on April 20th, 2012, and my YouTube channel, Amazing 2007.
Now I am upon my roof. Wow, it's loud.
This video
Parish Black, known as Parish the Prophet, and Parish Black, the Man of God. Today is Friday, April 20th, 2012, time 10:19 p.m.
Right, and then of course, started like in 2011. A lot of people began hearing all these crazy sounds from the sky. Okay. Yeah, and of course I made a lot of videos on prophetic sound. Okay, Parish, strange sounds. Okay, see, plenty of videos on strange sounds, because strange sounds were like one of the biggest things people started to talk about in 2011. Okay, yeah. Strange sounds worldwide. So I predicted people would begin hearing strange sounds in the not too distant future, and of course people began to hear strange sounds in the future, and I mentioned about it and made videos, tons of videos on it. So yeah, I consider myself a major prophet, not a minor prophet. A lot of my dreams and visions has come to pass. I am now, going into my old YouTube channels and finding other dreams I've made videos on to see if they too have come to pass. Yeah, so I see things like future events. I hear strange sounds from the future. I have also astral projected before, maybe 2 or 3 times. And the Bible does say that in the last days God will pour out His Spirit upon all flesh, and people begin having dreams and visions. And I truly believe we are living in the end times. I truly believe that individuals that have not closed their hearts to God or to the Creator will receive His information, His warnings, His omens, to tell people to get right, to get their spirit right with the Almighty. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching this video. Everyone, and I will link my videos in the description box below. Everyone, take care. Have a nice weekend. God bless, and bye.